Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in Muscat mobile app in easy and simple steps. Step 1. Open the Bank Muscat. First unlock your iPhone and locate the Bank Muscat mobile banking app on your home screen. Then tap the app icon to open it. Step 2. Welcome and login screen. Once the app opens, you will see the welcome or login screen. Ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 3. Enter user ID or customer ID. Now enter your user ID or customer ID in the required field. This information is provided by Bank Muscat during mobile banking registration. Step 4. Enter password or MPIN. Next, enter your password or MPIN using the on-screen keypad. Make sure no one can see your screen while entering your details. Step 5. Use Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric login is enabled, simply use Face ID or Touch ID. This allows faster and more secure access to your account. Step 6. Tap Login. After entering your login details, tap the login button. The app will take a few seconds to verify your information. Step 7. Access your account dashboard. You are now successfully logged in. From the dashboard, you can check balance, transfer money, pay bills, and manage your Bank Muscat account. And that's how you can log into Bank Muscat mobile app on your iPhone. Simple, fast, and secure. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.